Hi, Mike Crawley here. We're going to do a mini course, a tutorial about effective communication. And in this topic, I'm going to touch on four main areas. First, incorporating the best practices of public speaking for professionals in effective communication. Number two, using effective communication strategies that are outlined in the curriculum that we have here. And number three, using effective multimedia strategies, which is very, very tricky, something we have to keep our eye on because there are so many different ways to approach multimedia that many times we get really confused about that. And you can get so hung up in wanting to put all those moving parts together that it's not a smooth communication, which leads us to our point number four. Using communication strategies appropriate to the medium and the audience. Because again, it's one thing to throw all the ingredients into the pot, but if we're not mixing it up correctly, it's not going to come out flavorful. It's going to be overpowering or maybe not flavorful enough. So we got to make sure that we're mixing it all up. So we're going to go ahead and get into that here a little bit because at the end of the day, effective communication, really, it's all about you, the audience.